impacted include Cary, Sanford.
Another one.
Central North Carolina, Warren County in central North Carolina, Western Nash County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, Southern Granville County in central North Carolina, Northeastern Lee County in central North Carolina, Northwestern Halifax County in central North Carolina, Wake County in central North Carolina, Central Johnston County in central North Carolina, Durham County in central North Carolina, Eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, Franklin County in central North Carolina, until 9:15 p.m.
That's 12 counties.
7 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kitchell to RDU International to 9 miles east of Sanford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Sanford, Roanoke Rapids, Henderson, Smithfield, Oxford, Creedmoor, and Lewisburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Flood advisory in effect until 10 p.m. this evening.